Hey guys, my name is Angelina Dominic Roderick and you're watching She Beyond Your So guys, before starting the video, don't forget to hit the like button. Also subscribe to my channel if you guys are new here, and also hit the bell icon so you guys are notified every time I upload a brand new video. So guys, today's video is Independence Day look or the Tiranga inspired look. And though we are sitting at home in 2020, but अपने देश को छोटा सा tribute देना बनता है, right? So that's what I'm doing. If you guys are interested in knowing how I create that look, keep on watching. So guys, first I'll take all my bangs aside, set all my bangs aside. Then I will secure my white top with my mom's dupatta because I'm very messy. And now I'll use the Clinique moisturizer. Ignore my pimples. Then I'll go in with the Master Chrome Primer from Maybelline. Now I'm using the concealer that is in my shade, and that is the Fit Me concealer in 35 Deep. On top of that I will use the highlighting concealer, and that's also from Maybelline. It is the 25 Medium. Now I'm going to use my Giorgio Professional Beauty Blender and blend all my concealers out. Next I'm going to use the Fit Me foundation. I'm in the shade 128 Warm Nude. We're going to blend it out properly. Now I'm going to use the Maybelline New York White Super Fresh Compact Powder. I'm in the shade Shell. Now I'm going to bronze my face with the My Glam 3-in-1 highlighter plus blush plus bronzer chiseled palette. With the same palette, I'm even going to contour my nose. Then I'm going to use the Sugar Mini Blush. I'm in the shade 02 Pink Pinnacle. I like to use a Kabuki brush for the blush because the bristles of the Kabuki blush is very dense and it gives a very natural touch to your blush. Then I'm going to use the 3-in-1 brow styler from Color Essence. And first brush my eyebrows. Then I don't do much with my eyebrows, that's the reason I'm just using the sponge, which also has a little product in it. So I'm just using it for my unibrows. Then I'm going to use my Tammy X Revolution palette of the shade Spice Island and place it onto my crease. That is a very orange shade. First I'm just putting it in my crease, placing it and then blending it out. Later on I'm just going to come slightly to my lid also and place and blend it out over there too. Then I'm going to use my Revolution Pro Fix Plus and put it on my brush, applicator brush, and place the Spice Island on my lid properly. And then I'm going to use a blending brush again, do my second eye and then blend both the colors properly. So there are no harsh lines. So then I decided to put up my lenses before I'm doing the lower lash line and my waterline. So now I'm using the Saint Catherine shade, which is a greenish shade. Applied the green shade, that is a shimmery green shade, to my lower lash line, but only at the outer corners of my lower lash line. Then I'm going to apply the Miss Claire Glimmer Sticks for Eyes, that is in the shade Pearl White 314. Then I'm going to use my Hyper Curl Mascara from Maybelline. Oh my god guys, look at the volume, it's amazing. Next I'm going to use the Nykaa Lips Don't Lie Lip Liner in the shade Birthday Suit 01. Now I'm using our Chotu Ram, that is the Nykaa Matte to Last Janvi Mini Liquid Lipstick. Next I'm going to use the Master Chrome highlighter from Maybelline. I'm in the shade Molten Rose Gold 050. I'm going to use this below my eyebrows, on the tip of my nose, on my cheekbones, in the inner corners of my eyes and on my cupid's bow. Don't forget to blend the highlighter, even though you're a big fan of a highlighter. So guys, this is the look. So guys, this was the video. This is how I achieved this look. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you guys are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also hit the bell icon right beside it, so you guys are notified every time I upload a brand new video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Stay happy, stay cute.